my name is Kimatina. This screencast will showcase all of the new Google Slides updates that were just made available in October of 2017. First, I'd like to showcase the Notepad or the Google Keep app integration in Google Slides. Similar to Google Docs, it is located in the Tools menu under Keep Notepad, and this will open up the Keep Notepad in the margin of the slide presentation. You can create a library of information here, and you can simply drag the information or copy and paste the information into the Google presentation. So this is a nice way of giving feedback to your students also. So that's one nice update. Another update that was made available was linking slides from one presentation to another. So in this example, I am going to copy this slide, and in order for me to do that, I'm going to right click on the slide and copy it, and then I'm going to insert that into a second presentation. And right now it's going to prompt me if I wanted to link the slides. So if I wanted to always keep my slides updated, I would hit link slides. If I didn't want to link it, I would simply click do not link. So in this example, I'm going to click link slides. And now if I go back to my original presentation, I am going to update this slide. And if I go into the second presentation, over here in the corner, I have a link icon, and that will allow me to update the information automatically. It's a nice feature if you're always using the same information on multiple presentations. You only have to update one presentation and use this update link feature in the additional presentations to update the content. I thought it was a nice feature. Another option is inserting diagrams into your presentation. So I'm going to insert a new slide here, and I'm going to make it a blank slide. And in this feature, I can insert diagrams now, which is new. So in the Insert menu, I go down to Diagram, and I can pick the different type of diagram I would like to use. So I have hierarchy, timeline, process. We'll pick on hierarchy, and I can pick the different levels or how deep I want the flowchart or hierarchy to be. And then I can select the style of the grid or the diagram. I select it, it inserts it into my presentation, and then at this point here, I can alter the content. That's a nice new feature for students if they need to show a flow chart or a food chain or a diagram of something in American government. Another update is the grid view. So on the bottom, on the left side, you have a film strip view, which is what I am showing now, and then you have a grid view. So I can simply click on the grid view and see all of the slides in a grid-like format. And if I don't want to do that, I can simply go back to the default to the film strip view. Another feature was the skip slide feature. So for example, if I was presenting and I didn't want to show this slide, I can go to the slide menu and hit skip slide. And you can see here there's a preview icon with a slash in it, meaning skip it. So now if I go to present, it's not going to show the contact me slide. So that's a nice feature. You can hide a slide while you're presenting. But a major addition to the Google Slides update was having the ability to do add-ons. So add-ons are available now in the add-on menu, and you can install the add-ons. There's a few here to pick from. There's Peer Deck, which will allow you to create interactive presentations for your students and allow them to answer questions while you're presenting the information to them and control the pace of the lesson. Adobe Stock is here, and this allows you to use stock images, preview and purchase stock images for your presentation. So it gives your presentation a nice look and feel. Shutterstock Editor will allow you to edit and browse images, free images in the library. So those are the only three that I've played with so far, and I was very impressed with the Pear Deck Google add-on. So if you're not familiar with Pear Deck, what it does is it allows you to enter in different types of questions, and then the student joins your presentation with a code, and the presentation is shown on their screen, and when prompted with the slide, they answer the questions appropriately. Well, that's all I have to say about the new updates for Google Slides. I hope you found this screencast helpful.